Namaste students. How are you children? I hope everyone is very fine in your home. Do you have breakfast? Why do we eat the food item? Because we need energy. That's why we are eating the food item. So today I am going to teach the science lesson components of food. Every day we are taking breakfast, lunch and also dinner. Do we eat the same kind of food item? No, we are eating the different varieties of food item like idli, dosa, buri, pongal, chapati, rice. We are eating different varieties of food items. When we move out of our state, is it possible to get the same food item? No, we are not able to get the same food item. We are able to get the different varieties of food item which are available in that area. Now we are able to see the food items of Assam as well as Andaman Nicobar Islands. So they are eating the food items which are available in that area. During the preparation of food item, we are using different varieties of materials like onion, drumstick, brinjal, lady's finger and also spices. So the materials which are necessary to prepare the food item is known as ingredients. The materials which are necessary to prepare the food item is known as ingredient. Here onion is an ingredient, potato is an ingredient, brinjal is an ingredient and also drumstick is an ingredient. Each and every food item contain one or two nutrients. So what is nutrient? The components which are present in the food item is known as nutrient. Food item contain different type of nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, proteins, minerals, water, roughage and also vitamins. So all these nutrients are necessary for the growth of our body. It protects our body from various diseases. Food item contain only one or two nutrients in large amount. That's why we are eating different varieties of food item to get all these nutrients. Now you are able to see the potato. Potato contain large amount of starch. To find out the presence of starch, now we are going to do one small experiment. For that experiment, first we need the iodine solution. So we take tincture iodine in small amount, then we add the tincture iodine along with the water. When we add tincture iodine along with the water, we can get dilute iodine solution. Then we take the potato, we cut the potato into two pieces. After cutting the potato into two pieces, we add few drops of iodine solution along with the potato. Now when we observe that area, the area turns into blue-black color. Whenever we add iodine solution along with the food item, if it turns into blue-black color, that indicates food item contains starch. Starch is one kind of carbohydrate. Now we add iodine along with the potato. Now potato turns into blue-black color. So from that we can understand potato contain starch. Children, can you say what is ingredient? What are the various types of nutrients present in the food item? Which kind of nutrient is present in large amount in potato? Children, find out the answer. We will meet in the next class. Thank you children.